Woke up one day and saw the clouds drift far away. She spread her wings, began to fly, to chase her dreams across the sky. She met the wind, she met the rain, but never once did she complain. She sang a song both loud and clear to chase away her tiny fear. She saw a tree that had no leaves, it shivered softly in the breeze. She shed her warmth, her sweetest song, and soon the leaves grew back so strong. The sun came out, the sky turned blue. Her heart felt light, her courage true. She learned that strength is not in size, but in the